Exercise Coastal Ranger is an opportunity to learn some lessons about the integration of joint effects, including those of the Rangers, the Royal Canadian Air Force and their long-range patrol aviation, and the coastal defense vessels of the Royal Canadian Navy in a surveillance role in the inshore waters of the Canadian Eastern Seaboard.
We developed a scenario that a piece of equipment went missing about a month ago, and they lost contact with this research equipment with the DRDC. Recently, in the past 24 hours, there's been a couple of sightings, exercise sightings of this equipment, and HMCS Shawinigan and the longliners with the Rangers have been dispatched to coordinate here in St. Anthony to conduct a search.
It's a completely joint exercise with the Army, the Air Force, and the Navy, and we're out here coordinating the maritime search for the missing Slocum glider. I've worked as Rangers before up in the Arctic, but I've never seen them do anything like this. So the fact that, as I learned today, the Rangers have essentially taken command of 2 longliner fishing vessels, I've never seen the Rangers working at sea before. It's been fantastic. It's not something that we practice with any degree of regularity in this class of ship. Mostly what we're doing is the training role, and we don't get a lot of opportunity to do this kind of mission. So certainly it's gone a lot easier than I anticipated it might. So hope for the best and plan for the worst, and it worked out to be the best.
For all the sailors on board the ship, the captain, the XO, the young sailors, myself, and my Joint Task Force staff, we've got to be in these waters. We've got to see these communities. We've got to learn about the concerns of the population. We've got to learn about their infrastructure, like the Grenville the hospital system, and who they support, and what that might do for us in an emergency scenario as we flow forces in. Not only do we bring federal capabilities here, they would be a major contributor. So I think Coastal Rangers has put us in the learner seat more than we thought when we devised the exercise. And just to meet those people and hear the story has been a big lesson learned.